In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this front corner light on this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. It's a little cover right here. Just take a straight blade screwdriver, get behind here, pop that cover off. Now you can take a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen up this screw. Grab the lamp, pull it out, and grab the socket and just twist it to the right, and it slides right out. Just take the socket, line it up, and twist. And this side wants to go into that slot right there. And we'll tighten the screw up. Just snug, not too tight, and take this piece and lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.